Introduction to handles, knobs and grips. Nylon pull handles. Nylon is often used in plastic pull handles. It's tough, strong and resists impact and abrasions. Phenolic round ball knob. Phenolic has extreme resistance to impact, heat and wear, and also good resistance to oils, fuels and greases. This makes it the ideal material for round ball knobs used to operate machinery. Polypropylene knurled knob. Polypropylene is a cost-effective material that stands up to water and solvents. It enhances the performance of knurled knobs, which are designed for operating in wet or damp environments. TPE overlay grip knob. TPE is often used as an overlay material to provide a soft, comfortable feel for the user. Example, grip knobs, which have a base material of polypropylene. Together, these materials provide a soft grip and impact resistance. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC flat grip. Soft and flexible, PVC has good resistance to oils. It can stretch to fit slightly larger dimensions without shredding or tearing, which makes it an excellent material choice for flat grips.